Surfing in a barrel is like being on the edge of life and death at the same time. You come out of that black hole and it's a special golden moment. You're completely connected to something that will never exist again. This calm washes over you and you just live to surrender to what Mother Nature has in store for you. That's when you just feel overwhelming amounts of joy. It's quite beautiful. My first golden moment was when I was 2 years old, surfing with my father for the first time, putting little buoys on my arms so I could go surf with him even when I couldn't swim. Can't imagine my life without it. But if someone experienced just one of the many moments that I've had in the ocean, they would feel as passionately as I do. The ocean is a part of me, and that's why I want to protect it. If we all work together, we can reverse what we've done, create this beautiful environment for generations to come.